Age Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Mercedes GLA AMG Sport, finished in Arctic silver, lovely diamond cut star alloy wheels. It's got the black pack, which is all the black down the bottom. Everywhere where it should be silver or chrome is black anyway. Privacy glass to the rear. It's a night pack, I think. Night pack, black pack. It's 4MATIC. So it's 4-wheel drive. The bodywork is absolutely stunning. It's a 220 GLA. As you can see in the boot, it's absolutely as it should be, pristine. Electric tailgate, obviously. Got the lovely AMG body, AMG half leather Alcantara red stitch piping. Electric windows, electric mirrors, automatic headlights. It's got paddle shift on the gearbox, got satellite navigation. Just start it up. Satellite navigation, heated seats, reverse camera, Bluetooth. It's fully loaded. Multi-function steering wheel. DJH on full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call 07503 751 005. Thank you.